First job in the list was the fuel filler cap. The one that was on there was a universal push fit cap, which from experience they're a nightmare. If you go around a corner at any speed with a full tank of fuel, it all sloshes out, goes all over the road. Yeah, really bad, cause a right accident. So needed to get that sorted straight away. Also, with the diesels, if you get water into the tank, it'll stop it. The car will not run with water in the fuel. The water sinks to the bottom of the fuel tank and gets drawn in before any diesel, and the engine will just stop. So it was vital that we got that changed pretty quick. Like I say, parts for this are pretty tricky. Been on to eBay, had a good look round, and managed to pick this one up. Oh, here we go. First little goodie ordered off the flea bay. Tricky to get these little bits and pieces, but this is a lockable fuel cap, presumably. So will it fit though? That is the question, because I don't know, it's come from Germany of all places. I've been absolutely spanked on this price of postage. Look at that, £18. But I got no choice, there was nowhere else to get it from. Let's have a little look, see what we do get in the box. See what we get. Will it fit? That is the question. Oh, yeah, beauty. Oh, I don't know. Is it going to be right? This was about 30 quid. It weren't cheap. But if it fits and it's nice, it'll be worth the money. If it don't, then it's a disaster straight away. So let's have a look what we get. You get the ring here. So I pull this crappy thing off of there. And then, oh, that bit looks good to start with. Oh, look at that. So the locking ring goes on first. I presume then you have to fasten that in place, and then the cap goes on the top of that. And how nice is that? That's beautiful, isn't it? That's really nice. And I mean, what's to stop that coming off? Or is that, does that just spin then with the cap? Once that's on, that just spins and you can't get it off. I think you could put, it's got two little grub screws there. Do you get any screws with it? I don't look like it. You'd have thought that I'd give you a couple of little screws to screw it on as well. But not that it really matters. That's got a nice sealing ring on the back of it. That goes on onto there. Like we did a minute ago. I can't get back on. There we go. We'll get that on nice and tight. And then the cap then goes in and locks into place. Yeah, job's a good one. How nice is that? It's a lovely little touch, isn't it? We can peel off the bit of blue dodgy paper off the top of that as well. It's not paper, it's a plastic covering. I do wish they'd take these protective covers off when you straight after manufacture when you buy something, because
I should have left it on there. They come off very easy.
They are a right pain to get off, as you'll see.
Yeah, I'll get that off later.
So, yeah, pleased with that. And that came from a company called AMS Autos. So yeah, beautiful. Nice job that. Really pleased. First of many. Still picking away. Oh, what a palaver. It's stuck on so much. You're scratching it. It's coming off in tiny little fragments. But I'm determined. I'm going to get it off. If I've got no nails left, I'm going to get it off. The thing is, you can't put anything sharp on there because you'll scratch that piece of chrome. So you've got to just go at it and just keep picking away. Yeah, about half an hour later.
Beautiful. Look at that.
Loads more jobs to do on the J9. So hope you've enjoyed that one. A little short video, but a really critical one. You know, that cap's important. It's sorted and it's a weight off my mind because I was a bit worried. First thing I've had to buy for it, can we get hold of some of the parts? Are they going to come and be okay? As it turns out, this fits like the old Peugeot 205, a Talbot Samba. There's a lot of stuff that crosses over with other vehicles. So yeah, that was a really good start. If you enjoyed it, drop me a little thumbs up, like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.